Hey guys, Zach here from MixChecks.com. We're still working on this worship song, so let's jump right back in. Sound like it already had some top end on it, some kind of airiness. So I'm going to pull out a little bit of 12K. Sounded like there's a little bit of exaggerated, top mids on there too, so I pulled out a little of that.
Be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my
You can hear the difference.
As the world falls away, I'm secure in your presence, and I can hear.
Okay, let's run into the compressors now. And then I always do serial compression just because I think it sounds the smoothest and the best. I have my own little presets that get me started. But I think I'm going to switch this to warm for this song.
For my
That's what happens when you push the wrong button. Okay.
My spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher.
And compressor 2. I'm going to do warm as well.
By your holy wind under my wings.
And then got those compressors to just smooth it out.
I'm secure.
And it looks like his vocals, consistent enough to where I don't need to automate any parts because one's crazy softer or one's crazy loud. So we're just going to let the compressors do their work.
In your presence, and I can hear my time on earth is ending. By your holy wind under my wings.
I'm going to add some makeup gain just to give me a little bit more control. see what these female BGs are doing. Whoa.
Spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher.
Actually, let's do his background vocals first. See what's happening here, because then we can just do, if it's the same guy, most likely the same processing.
By your holy wind under my wings, I will rest in your love that will endure forever. Lord, you are treasured high above all things, everything. The wind blows where it wishes, and you hear the sound of it, but you do not know where it comes from and where it is going. So is everyone who is born of the Spirit. John 3:8.
Yeah, I'm going to have to break that off, because I'm sure that's going to be processed different. So we're going to call this the talking vocal. There we go.
I will rest in your love.
Looks like he has some more parts. I think with these, I'm gonna pan them a little bit. See what they do. And then with this background, I want to high pass it a little bit higher than the lead vocal.
With my Lord God and King, for my spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my. Lord, you are treasured high above all things.
Especially on these two.
The wind blows where it wishes, and you hear the sound of it, but
Okay. All right, now the female BGVs.
spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy.
So it looks like we got 6 tracks, but one of these, just the waveform itself looks kind of low, so let's see what that is.
Holy wind under my wing.
Okay. So for that one, looks like it's the low. I'm just going to pan these right, left, and middle, and then let's see.
I will rest in your love. A love that will.
Yep. So looks like it's high, mid, and low part. I'm going to do the highs and mids. the right and left. Actually, we'll go opposite on this one. Right, left. And we'll leave these lower parts in the middle. Or should we? Yeah, we can for now. Let's see what happens.
For my spirit shall
soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my
I'm just gonna copy his to get me started.
wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. Lord, you are treasured high above all things.
Yeah, I'm gonna set these to the smooth setting.
Endure forever. Lord, you are treasured. My spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. My spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love
Okay.
that will endure forever.
It sounds like it's the same singer,
Spirit shall
so we can
soar and
give
be
these to everybody.
lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. My spirit shall soar and be lifted ever higher by your holy wind under my wings. I will rest in your love, a love that will endure forever. My spirit shall soar and be lifted.
All right.